So, a new leak from FPT's latest YouTube video suggests major changes are coming to the iOS 19 camera app, potentially paving the way for a broader redesign of Apple's operating system. The updated app promises a cleaner, more streamlined interface that focuses on the viewfinder while integrating settings currently buried in the iPhone's general settings menu. Among these are video resolution and frame rate controls, a feature long available on Android devices but new to iOS. To protect its sources within Apple, FPT has refrained from showcasing the actual redesign, opting instead to share a close approximation of the new interface. The redesign aims to simplify user interactions by consolidating settings and modes into swipeable menus, enhanced by fluid animations. This approach minimizes distractions and mirrors some elements of Android camera apps, particularly the convenience of adjusting video settings directly within the app itself. Interestingly, the changes may hint at more than just a refreshed camera app. According to the leak, the aesthetics and interactions of the redesigned app bear similarities to Vision OS, Apple's operating system for mixed reality devices. This connection has fueled speculation that iOS 19 might introduce a system-wide redesign influenced by Vision OS. If accurate, this would mark the first significant visual overhaul of iOS since version 7. However, Apple may take a gradual approach to rolling out these changes. It's possible the company will start with updates to core apps, like the camera, before expanding the Vision OS-inspired design language across the operating system. This phased strategy would allow Apple to test the waters, refine its new aesthetic, and ensure a smoother transition for users. That said, iOS 19 is still at least 9 months away from its public release, giving Apple ample time to make adjustments and refine the redesign. While the final product could differ from what the leaks suggest, the potential for functional improvements and a fresh visual style has already sparked excitement among Apple enthusiasts. If these rumors hold true, the iOS 19 camera app may signal a new era for Apple's design philosophy. So what are your thoughts on the upcoming iOS 19 update? Share your opinions in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in my next video.